Gusto ko
Hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganun.
Ay, ikaw nagturo nun eh.
Kasi ako nagsulat, pero
Yung ganyan-ganyan niya. Yun, so, I love the, namatay-matay talaga ako sa mga eksena. Yung syempre yung, well, hindi ko naman, napaka-bias ko naman sabihin mga eksena ko. Pero pinaghirapan ko naman lahat yun. Pero talagang ako, doon ako talagang halos gumulong talaga sa orchestra pit ng CCP Main Theater. Dahil kay Moing. So talagang pagkaabangan nyo.
Kasi na-give na yung mga talagang breakdown, may award-winning scenes mo, given na yun. Pero so,
Hindi mo na-expect talaga yun.
Oh, you're the best instead of Sharon Cuneta you've never seen before.
That's actually, that is true. It's the first time I was so uninhibited. Wala akong pakialam kung ano yung tsura ko. Ang gulo ko. Di ba, no? Wala akong pakialam. Minom, mumura. Wala, parang lukarat lang. Na, yung natural lang. Hindi madalas magmura, pero natural. Ganon. So, ang dali para sa akin, tas si Moy, sa parang maluka-lukong talagang kailangan talaga meron na siyang sarili niyang starring role eh. Gusto na lahat yung direct si Moy.
Muy alam po.
Moy
Saging.
Moy Poy.
Moy.
Moy Poy. Moy Poy.
Moy.
Di ba pangalan pa?
Pati ako natatawa. Poy Moy.
Oh my God, bagay yun. Naku,
Diba?
hindi na. Ngayon na narinig na nila EJ, gagawin na ng star.
Same management sila na eh.
Same on, na ganun. Boy, naman pala. Diyos ko, wala ka problem. Di ba, no?
Correct.
cornerstone.
Sige,
Ah.
Tita Julie, your questions?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes! Nandiyan! Nandiyan ka pala! Hindi ka buntis. Dati, yung makikita ko yan, buntis eh.
Ayan din.
Ay,
Hi,
Ate
Mega.
Jules!
Meron lang questions kasi kailangan itanong. Kasi na-mention mo kanina na parang, parang gagawa ko na lang ng another next indie movie pero isasalin po ba sa Cinemalaya? Join pa ba ikaw?
It doesn't matter. As long as fair ang treatment ng kahit anong festival, sa pelikula, hindi lang sa akin, wala akong problema. Pero I'm just pointing out na hindi naman kailangan kasali sa isang film festival ang isang movie na indie. Mas lang kasi, pag may festival, because nga they are financially limited. May budget constraints, di ba? Kaya ang exposure nila, they rely on festivals like such as PPP and Cinemalaya. So, parang dahil kasama ka doon, nakakasave ka ng pondo sa promo dahil Cinemalaya nagdadala sa'yo. Pero if you're going to be a supportive at masipag mag-promote na artista at meron ka mga kaibigang mga katulad ninyo na tulong, hihinga ng tulong, parang it's nice to be able to help, you know, small filmmakers. When I say small, I just mean the budget.
Yes.
Not small in talent, but limited rather. Let's just say limited in
Mega. Next
financial.
question po, Mega. Yung tungkol kay Gabi, nagkaroon ba kayo ng communications bago siya nagpadala ng durian?
Wala. Kahit after, nag-thank you lang ako. Dead man na. Hindi ko alam kung sumagot siya. Ayoko na malaman. Okay na.
Tama na yun.
Kahit kay Casey din ako nagtanong kay Casey. Hindi na. Hindi ko rin natanong yung bakit. Okay lang.
Okay na, gano'n na.
Wala kami communication. Sadly, I can't say we're friends.
Oo.
I can't naman say magkaaway kami. So, wala lang.
Kahit nung hindi na niya tinanggap yung project supposed to be na gagawin ninyo.
Hindi naman kami nag-usap before that eh. Always through Tita Malu and Inang yung nababalitaan ko, tapos bilang umiiba. So, ayoko nang pakialaman dahil sila naman yung magkakausap nun. Parang lang ako, anong tawag dyan direct? Collateral damage. Kasi yung taon ko, nasira yung schedule.
Correct, oo. And last ko na lang, Mega, kasi nabanggit naman si Robin na, no? Na siya ang next leading man mo.
And I'm very happy it's Robin. I am
Oo
100%,
naman, ang tagal
a million times more excited now that
Nakakamiss.
it's Robin. Nakakamiss.
Kasi nung Cinemalaya rin, nanood si Robin, anong reaction mo?
Na-touch ako doon because he made his own
Correct.
review. Parang gano'n, and he posted it. Na ngayon nire-repost nga ng fans ko at saka ng iba. I also posted it on Facebook and IG na it was so touching. Hindi naman na kailangan mag comment pa about it, manood ka lang, di ba? Tapos text mo ako, hindi.
Pinuri-puri niya yung film.
Oo, that's my Robin.
Ah,
That's my friend. That is my
Thank you,
Robin.
Megan.
Yeah. That's why, and you know what? My happiest shooting experiences, when I make a movie, it's not just a project to me. It's gonna take me away from my real life, especially now, my 4 kids, no? Well, my 3 small kids, for months. So, I want to be on a set that feels like another family. And I grew up kasi like that eh. Sa Viva, I grew up with the same staff, production designer, art department, lahat. The same, I grew up with Eddie Garcia. That was my training. My director, Eddie Garcia, Leroy Salvador, Lino Broca, I mean, Danny Jalceta. You don't get, it doesn't get much better than that. Now I have Direct Mess. But, that was my training. So I was one of the more blessed ones that never get to work with these people again. And our training was, we were disciplined because of that. So, medyo maano talaga ako pagdating doon. Tapos, tanong mo, wala ako.